Good morning, students. This is Vinita Singh, and today we are going to do the revision of your chapter Fun with Text Processing. So, what is text processing? Basically, text processing or word processing is the use of a computer system to manipulate the text. Or you can say that if you want to change or if you want to make modification in your text, then you can use this word processing process. So basically, what is word processing? For example, if you are entering any word in your already pre-existing file, that is also a kind of word processing. Examples of word processing are entering, editing, rearranging, sorting, storing, retrieving, displaying, and printing the text. So, basically, word processing is the use of a computer system in which you can modify or you can manipulate the text. A word processor enable us to create a document, store it electronically, display it on the screen, and modify it and print it. So, using a word processor, you can not only create a document but also you can store it for later use. The word processor activity has the option to color and make the text look different, as you can see it over here. So basically, using this word processor, you can make or you can look word appear differently from your rest of the text. Choose a font which is clear and easy to read. That means we should choose that type of font type which is readable to us. Selecting a different font is called changing the font type. Some of the commonly used fonts are Deja Vu Sans, Times New Roman, and Arial. These are basically such type of fonts which are clear and easy to read. It is not easy to read if you mix different types of fonts in the same sentence. That means if you're mixing two or three different types of fonts while writing a single sentence, so it won't be easy to read it properly. Larger fonts are used to catch the attention of the reader and for the text, which is important. For example, you must have seen in your textbook the titles are in larger fonts, while the other materials are comparatively smaller, so that the topic, or we can say the titles, are visible very clearly. Formatting is one of the making the text easy to read and attractive. So basically, by using this formatting process, you can make your text look easy to read and attractive. The formatting toolbar help us to format the text which we type in. So basically, for doing this formatting, there are formatting toolbars also that help us to format the text. The formatting tools are font, font style, font size, and font color. Changing the style of the font. Now we are going to learn how you can change the style of the font. Whenever you want to highlight or emphasize a word or a sentence. So basically, if you want to define a certain word, or if you want to emphasize it, or if you want to highlight any particular word or a sentence, so using this font style, you can do it. You can either use bold, italics, or underline. For making the text darker, you can use bold. For making your text look slant, you can use italics. And to underline the text, you can use the underline. Next we have is font. This decides the appearance of the character. Just as you can see on my screen, the font is Calibri. So the Calibri is the font and it decides basically how my words or the characters are going to look alike. Font style. We can make the character stand out by making them bold, italics and both. So if you want to make your character differ from other words, you can use this font style. Next we have is font size. This increase and decrease the size of the characters are nothing but the font size. So if you want to increase the size or decrease the size, you can do it using your font size. Next we have is font color. We can apply colors to the character for printing the final document. As you can see over here, for the titles, I have chosen the red color, while for my other things, I have chosen the black color. In the same way, we can apply the different colors for the font colors too. Just remember not to use too much of either of them, whether it's your font style or font color in your story, essay, or any document that you're preparing. Just revise it once more time and you're good to go. Take care and have a great day.